Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Provincial Paradise: How to create a French country garden. The enchanting allure of a French country garden lies in its beautiful, unstudied elegance, reminiscent of the sun-drenched landscapes of Provence. This style masterfully blends a touch of formal structure with a joyful profusion of colors, textures, and scents, creating a space that feels both romantic and lived in. It is a design that invites you to slow down, savor the moment, and appreciate the simple pleasures of nature. Unlike perfectly manicured gardens, this approach celebrates a certain rustic charm and graceful aging, where plants are allowed to spill over pathways and climb freely. By embracing a few key principles, you can transform any outdoor area into your own provincial paradise. The goal is to create a soulful sanctuary that engages all the senses. French country gardens often use classic geometric forms as their underlying backbone, providing a sense of order and tranquility. Think of low stone walls, gravel or crushed stone pathways, and perhaps a central focal point like a weathered stone urn or a simple bird bath. However, this structure is never rigid or stark. It serves as a calm canvas that allows plants to spill over edges and soften hard lines. The goal is to create a sense of order that feels inherited and timeless, rather than newly imposed or overly perfect. You might use neatly trimmed boxwood to define a parterre or border, but it is planted generously and allowed to look lush and full. This gentle framework ensures the garden feels intentional yet effortlessly organic, making the billowing flowers appear even more vibrant and spontaneous by contrast. The heart and soul of this garden style is its lush, generous, and seemingly spontaneous planting scheme that bursts with color and fragrance. Focus on a palette of soft, muted tones like lavender, sage green, and creamy white, punctuated by the vibrant blues of delphiniums and the sunny yellows of Jerusalem sage. Lavender is a non-negotiable staple, providing structure, scent, and that iconic Provençal hue, while old-fashioned roses clamber over arbors with their rich perfume. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano are essential, not just for cooking but for their textured foliage and delightful scent when brushed against. Allow these plants to grow in generous intermingling drifts, creating a tapestry of color where blooms appear to have self-seeded over time. This approach fosters a wonderfully relaxed and romantic atmosphere, where the beauty is in the abundant, natural-looking clusters of flowers and foliage.